Hi guys, and welcome to my home kitchen. I am Chef Anahita. I am a chef from New Delhi in India. I run a restaurant called Soda Bottle Loknawala where we serve Parsi food and Bombay street food. I'm also part of the Chef's Manifesto crew, and I'm here to teach you a really simple and easy recipe for breakfast. So in India we have a huge variety of breakfast, but I wanted to show you something which is very nutritious, and I'm going to be making a porridge with millets. I've got some millets here. I'm going to take you through the ingredients and the recipe. So let's get cooking. This recipe you will require the following ingredients. You will need millets, 1 cup of boiled millets. It could be any millet that you like. I've used some barnyard millet here, or in Hindi we call it as tamak ke chawal. I've got 2 cups of milk. I've got a little bit of moringa powder to give it extra nutrition, flavor and color, 1 cardamom to give it flavor, some jaggery powder, 3 teaspoons of jaggery powder, any fruits that you might have. I've got a banana and I've got some figs and some dry fruits and seeds. So the first step is to put the milk into your pot. And we're going to be flavoring this with 1 cardamom, and we're just going to let this come to a boil. So as you can see, the milk has come to a boil, and now we're going to be adding our millets, cooked millets, into the mixture. We'll also be adding the jaggery powder or any sweetener that you like. You can add sugar, coconut sugar, and we're going to just mix it all up. So as this keeps boiling away, it keeps getting thick, and we're almost ready. We're going to get all our other ingredients ready to top it up. So our porridge is ready and nice and thick. We're going to be plating this up. We've got our delicious millet porridge, which I'm going to be serving in this bowl. It's nice and thick, jaggery and some cardamom in it. And we're going to be topping this up with some nuts and fresh fruits. Some gorgeous local bananas, some beautiful figs. They're a bit overripe, but that's perfect for the day. A little sprinkling of moringa powder. Going to be adding a lot of nutrition, color, vitamins, antioxidants, minerals to the entire bowl. And lastly, some lovely sunflower seeds, flax seeds, some red currants. So here it is, a quick and easy breakfast recipe from me. My millet porridge filled with nutrition, protein and lots of micronutrients. We've also got some moringa powder and some local fruits and some nuts and seeds. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and here is my quick millet porridge with some fruits and some nuts and some moringa powder. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna go and have my breakfast. See you. Bye.